We can recognize that everything is of spirit. Spirit is all that is the source. This lower plane, this extension of that spirit into this denser elemental experience we call life in the physical material realm as we perceive it. That's all it is a perception. It's an illusion. We are all spiritual beings. We are all one. And the sooner we recognize that and the sooner we're able to start living like that, the better our lives are going to be individually and collectively. So, once again, this is the Raise Our Awareness Revolution, Humanity's Roar. I'm Da Vinci the Truth. God bless. Take care.